Welcome to our channel Programming with Praveen Kanna. Today's our topic is on how to create a button in Python programming. Creating a button in Python. You see here our output will be like this. This is the output title. This is the frame. This is the frame. This is the title. This is the button. Click me. Whenever I click on this button here, I am going to display the message button clicked. The event will be happen here. Action, that is called an event. Whenever I click on the button, event will be occurred, then one message will be displayed, that is button clicked. So this is the title of the frame, this is the frame or root window, this is the title, this is the button. If I click on the button, that is clicking on the button is called event. So here when I click on this button, click me, then message will be displayed as button clicked. For that we are going to write a Python program. Now we are going to see the program. Import tkinter as tk. Here we are importing tkinter package. Here library or package. A package contains various methods. Here this tk is called alias name. So instead of tkinter we call tk. So for this tkinter we use now tk. So here after that root is tk. Here tkinter instead of tkinter we use tk. Tkinter, that is tk method. Here we are going to, by using the statement, we create main application window. This is the frame, this is the canvas. So here we can take any name, root, window, frame, you can take any name. But here whenever I take this, I have to use like this. Then this root window, main application window, main root window will be created. Here you can take anything, window, any frame, like that. But we have to assign to this main application window name. To this we have to use like this, small tk. This is a method, package dot method. Okay, next, what's our root window name? Root. For that root window I am going to give a title, root dot title. Title is a method, button example. You see here, this is the output. What's the title? Button example. Root dot title is button example. Next, button is tk dot button. Now I'm going to, first I created a title. After that, I'm going to create a button. So this package dot method. What is the method? Button, capital B. So this is the method where I'm going to create on my root window, on my root application. That is the root. Root is tk. This is the creation of root application, main window. So we have to mention that on that root window, I'm going to create a button. You see here, what should be displayed on the button? The text is click me. You see here, this is the button. On that button, the title is click me. You see here, after that command is button click. Here this is a method, button click. You can write any method name, user defined method only this is, but here I won't use left and right parenthesis. It's a method. Whenever I call this method, we will go to called method. This is the defined method. This is the defined method. So what's the function name, method name? Button click. So here we use button click. Whenever we call, that button click will be invoked. If I click on this button, what event has to be performed? That is print button clicked. If I click on this button, what is the output? What it will be displayed? Button clicked will be displayed. Button clicked. If I click on this click me, I will get message as button clicked. What will be displayed? Button clicked. Button clicked will be displayed whenever we click. This clicking on this button is called event. Okay, this is the event handling, method of event handling. Okay, so next, after this action, we have to come to here, button dot pack. On my root application window, I have to pack. Pack is a method. Then that button will be packed on that root window. What's the name of the root window? Root. So on that root window, that button will be packed. That will bind on that application. Next, root dot main loop. Whenever we give this application, this statement is used to run the application. If I give root dot main loop, my application, what is the name of my application? Root. So infinite times our application will run root dot main loop. How long time, how many times, as many as times you can click on this, how many times you click on this button, that many times here this event will be handled. The message will be displayed as button clicked. This print is the output. What is the output? If I click, button clicked will be displayed. Okay, so here this is the program for creation of, you see here, creation of a root window. How we create? By using root. You see here, importing tkinter. Tkinter is used to create a graphical user interface application. This is the alias name. After that I created application window. My application window name is root. With the help of tk method, I created the application. Next, I have given here title. Title is a button example. You see here, after giving the title, we have to create a button with the method of button. On the root window, text is click me. This is the method. What action will be? What is the event on the button? If I click, what is the event will be handled? That is the command is button click. This is a method. Here we won't write left and right parenthesis. Why? Because how many times you click on the button, that many times the action will be performed. Whenever we call this method, we will go to defined method, called method, invoked method, defined method, okay, declared method. This is the declaration method. This is the defined method. Okay, this is the declared method. Declaration, declared method. So here the button action or event is button clicked. Whenever I click the button clicked will be displayed. After that, we pack the button on the application window. Next, root.main loop. To run our application, we use the statement. Our application will run infinite times. For that purpose, we use the root.main loop. This is the creation of a button in Python programming. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe.